Most landlords think accepting Bitcoin rent payments is either risky or unnecessary. But in reality, it's one of the smartest, easiest, and most forward looking moves you can make right now. Landlords that integrate Bitcoin into their operations will attract better tenants, reduce costs, and position themselves for the future. When you accept Bitcoin rent payments, you are telling the market that you're a forward looking, innovative operator that understands where finance and technology are heading. And that matters, especially in today's environment. Tech, fintech, and AI companies all want to do business with landlords that speak their language. They value innovation and speed. And when you accept Bitcoin, you become a partner in their ecosystem. That is brand differentiation that translates directly into leasing activity. Now, let's talk about the operational side for a second. Bitcoin payments settle instantly, 24/7, with no intermediaries, no chargebacks, and no 3% processing fees. If you're managing multi tenant properties, that means faster collections and less administrative drag. If you have international tenants or just entities paying from abroad, that means no currency conversions, no wire delays, and no intermediary banks taking a cut. So, again, it's not just about convenience, it's about a measurable improvement. Now, let's talk about the balance sheet. When you accept rent in Bitcoin, you're not just collecting payments, you're building a treasury. And this gives you optionality. You can choose to hold Bitcoin as a strategic asset, or you can convert a portion of it to dollars to cover your operational expenses, depending on your comfort level and various cash flow needs. There are systems available today that integrate with existing infrastructure that make this process seamless and easy. Either way, the Treasury becomes a source of strength. It helps with capital improvements, maintenance reserves, and can even serve as collateral for future financing. This is how you align your real estate operations with a sound monetary strategy. Now, let's zoom out. In a market that's defined by tighter capital, higher costs, and shifting demand, every little edge matters. Accepting Bitcoin gives you three things: brand differentiation, operational efficiencies, and treasury optionality. Landlords that accept Bitcoin today are going to be seen as innovators tomorrow. Caruso Properties, a preeminent landlord in Los Angeles, has been doing this since 2021. They are making a statement. They're telling the market that they're adaptable, future ready, and financially aligned with the next era of value exchange. As always, I want to get your thoughts. Drop them in the comments below or DM me. I'm also going to ask you to share this. Share it with your clients, share it with your team, share it with your property manager. I need your help spreading the word. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you here next time.